Sixth grade Excel, lesson 108, estimating using rounding to one-digit accuracy, calculating volume in word problems. So first, let's learn about estimating with our special guests. We have Tyler and Haley here. Say hello.
Hi.
There they are. Okay, they're celebrities. The estimating that we have done so far has been with numbers that were rounded to the same place. Another way to round is rounding to one-digit accuracy. Moving from left to right, stop at the first digit that is not a 0, and then round to that place. For each of these numbers, identify the place you are rounding to and what the one-digit accuracy estimate or rounded number will be. It's not really an estimate, it's a rounded number. Okay, so number 1, start on the left, move to the right. Are you getting this? Start over here. You come to the first digit you see that's not a 0. Okay, that happens to be the 4 right there, right? Okay, what place is that in? It's in the tens place, so you write 10 right there. And then round the number. Look to the right, the 5 tells me bump the 4 up, and we round that to 50. Okay, let's take a look at number 2. Starting at the left, what's the first digit that we come to that's not a 0? A 3. Okay, so we're going to round to that place. What's the name of that place? The hundredths place, the second spot over after the decimal point. So if I round to that spot, I get 0.03 because the 4 tells me leave the 3 alone. Okay, here's one other sample. Starting at the left, first number I come to is a 4. And so I'm going to round to the hundredths place. And when I round to the hundredths place, I get 400. All right, now go ahead and pause the video. Try number 4. Turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, starting on the left, first digit I come to is 8, good. And what place is that in?
The 1.
Ones place, or the whole numbers place. Some of you are forgetting that ones and whole numbers are the same thing. And then I'm going to round by looking to the right. That 7 tells me what to do with the 8.
To bump
Bump it up, so what's the answer?
10.
9, okay? 9. Round the 8 up to a 9. Okay, let's go to some more here. Here are 8 problems for you guys to try. So go ahead and do all 8 of these, pause the video, and then turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. All right, who are we going to have on this one? Ty, you think you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, Tyler, let's go.
Okay.
You're going to write in blue. Okay, see if you get the same answers that Tyler gets.
Okay, so first number you come into is going to be 1. And so, the 1s is in the 1 spot, so it's going to be 1. Okay, and so 0 tells us not to bump the 1. So, it should be 1.
Good.
Now, the first number you come to is the 8, or first number that's not a 0. And
Write small.
it's in the thousands place. It's in the
That's the
thousands.
thousands place? Haley, help him out. What place is that?
It's like 100. Wait, no. 10 hundred.
What's the first place past the decimal?
Tens.
Tens?
Tens.
Tenths.
T-H-S.
T-H-S. Erase the whole thing.
Oh.
Be faster. Okay? So that is called the thousandths. If you write thousands, you're wrong. It's the thousandths. The thousandths place is way over on the other side of the decimal point. Okay? And what do you get when you round that to the thousandths place?
The 2 says not to round.
Okay? So what is it?
Bump it up. So it's
Beautiful. Okay, keep going.
8,000. Okay, the first number you come to is 3. That's in the tens column. And a 6 tells 3 to bump it up, so it'd be 40.
Keep going. Number 8.
Number 8. The first number you come to is a 7. Wait, 7, yeah. This one right here.
Okay, good. What place is it in?
And it's in the hundreds.
Good. Is there a TH on that?
Wait.
100 with an S. Good.
Hundreds. Okay, and then the 1 tells it not to bump up to 8. So it's just 700 and, yeah, 700.
Okay, keep going.
First number you see is 3, and That is in the 10th place. Wait.
You were thinking so much about TH, huh?
Yeah. 10th place. And the 6 tells it to bump up, so it's 0.4. And if you want to add the zeros, you can. And then the first number you come to is 1. That's in the 10th place with no TH, S. And the 2 is saying it doesn't want to bump up, basically. So it's just going to be 10. Okay, and then the first number you come to is 5 down here on number 11. And that is in the 1000th place. Oh.
With thousands.
Yeah, I did.
Forgot the S. Thousandths. You forgot and.
I
Put
know.
and in there.
And again.
That's good.
Thousand. Thousand. Say that.
THS, okay.
Okay, and then the 3 says not to bump it over, so it's going to stay 0.005. Okay, and then first number you come to right here is in the 100th place. HUNDRED, 100th. Sorry, I have a problem. Okay, and then this 8 right here tells this to bump up, which this is going to make this to a 1. So it's 0.1.
Beautiful.
If you added it.
Great job, great job. Okay, now we're going to be looking at volume and word problems. A rectangular prism, that's a box, is 5 centimeters long, 12 centimeters wide, and 3 centimeters tall. What is the volume? So we're talking about a shape. The way you draw these is you can draw a little rectangle. You don't need to draw them. And then you draw 3 lines kind of angling out away from the square or the rectangle, out that way. And then draw some parallel lines. So now we've got this rectangular prism here. It's 12 centimeters wide, 3 centimeters tall, and 5 centimeters long. That could be the width, so either way. And how do you find volume, everybody?
You
Multiply, okay?
Height by
Good.
width.
I'm going to do, to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to do 12. I think it's going to be faster to do 12 times 5 first, which is 60. And then I think I do 60 times 3 in my head, which is 180. So you can put 180 what? Cubic centimeters. Make sure you write cubic, not just centimeters. Try number 14, pause the video, and then turn it back on. And make sure you've done 13 as well, and you have the work shown for that one. Okay, here's the answer to 14. The prism is 4 meters tall, 7 meters wide, and 3 meters long. So we're going to do, let's see, how about if we do 4 times 3 first? 12 times 7. Do you know what 12 times 7 is?
That is
84 cubic
meters.
Oops, cubic meters. Another way to write cubic meters is a M for meters with a little 3 after that. All right, go ahead and do 15 and 16. Pause the video and turn it back on when you're ready for the solution. All right, on this one, same thing. We've got the 8 times 7. Let's actually do 7 times 3 first. And this is going to be pretty tricky either way. 21, we're going to multiply that times 8, right?
That's 168.
Good, 168
Cubic
cubic feet. You got to read the word in the problem here that goes with the number to make sure you get the same thing. Okay, hopefully you've already done 16. Here's the answer. You're going to do 6 times 10 equals 60. Multiply that times 1. Same thing, 60 cubic feet. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.